Today we're going to do a little bit of review too. About an hour ago we had some numbers come out. Price didn't really move as a result. It was the housing numbers, and they were primarily good, I think. Housing starts were better than expected. Building permits were less than expected. So, kind of mixed. Let's see if I have any ideas for initial price action. Yeah, I already traded some from that initial report coming out, and thank God it was just micros. But yeah, I'm already down 284, so basically need to have a solid trade off the open. Yeah, if today's going to be green. So looking on the 15, definitely looks like a slump to me. Maybe another 85 bounces in order, which should be down here. Looks like it comes down to 80 and 75. We'll see. I don't want to go long here. I think this is more short territory. The daily is really oversold though. Hmm. Daily's oversold. 1190 would be okay. That'd be a new high on the day. So it's pretty close to highs of the day. Got about 30, 35 seconds until the open. Equity open, that is. And we're having an engulfing 5. Looks like we're closing an engulfing 5. Coming up from 18s. Hmm. I'm really not sure what to make of this. Kind of want to get short under 40s. Let's do this. Let's do an entry at 29. There we go. Small winner. We're going to hold it for longer. Or not. I'm just going to get out of this one, I think. Yeah. Back into it because price action looks bearish. And back out. There's a couple more losers pretty quick, less than a minute. Not being very patient here. So we're having a breakdown from 40s. Entries were not that great. 21. So all I really needed to do was be a little bit more patient there. These would have been in the money. That was a push down to 05s. Usually a pretty good bounce spot. It was definitely worth trying. Hindsight is 2020 though, so 30 seconds left in this minute. Complete retracement to the upside. Wow. Let's do a short at 34s. There we go. Nicely done. Let's get a little continuation there. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Very cool, baby. Oh yeah. Tens. Looking pretty solid. Nice. 435. Not bad. See if we can snag another one to the short side. Here we go. Sub 40 again. Ooh, so much for that. Get short again. Oh my god, I'm getting wrecked now. Yikes. I think I just gave it all back. Should have paused there for a minute. Yeah. It was actually green there. It was just barely green. Up to 50s now. 10 point stop on this would bring it up to 50s. Oh man, it's a bad entry. Cool. See if we can get some push. Left a good amount of money on the table there. We're barely 5 minutes in. Another good spot. I'm going to try shorting here. Let's try it. There we go. Looking good. Looking good. All right, we'll take it. 240. A little too tight on that. Yeah. Left a bunch on the table. Left about 5 points on the table so far. Down 43 on the day. Oh, came right up to 25. I would say look to get long at 85s. Can shoot for that. It's already 10 points further along than where I got out. Okay. Get short in that 20 to 25 range. Why not? Should probably set a stop though, shouldn't I? Hmm. 120. 26. 5 point stop. Hmm. Cut out for 15 points. No, not even. Jeez. Up to 30. Pushing into VWAP. Let's do a trailing entry. 34s. Stop would be at like 41s. Wow. And 70 down. 150 in the hole. I mean, yeah, 50s is a great spot for sure. Look at that. Great rejection up there. 10-point stop here with the last highs. Just can't hold him for whatever reason. Let's hold it under 40s. Hmm. Ah, this is so dumb what I'm doing right now. I think that just put me into like, yeah, very dangerous territory. I should be done right now. I think I'm gonna do one more trade, and if it doesn't work out, I'll just be done for the day. It's already like way too many trades. Once again, over trading quite a bit. The shitty thing is I went from having a positive day after that big drawdown. So today's the kind of day that will blow the account if I continue. No question. 15 points off of 50. A lot of pinners up here, so this was actually a decent short. Just needed to hold it for longer. 51s. It's as high as it went. I was in from 36. I guess that's, yeah, look at how much I flip-flopped in here. Too much. Not even good levels. And then when it came to 50s, it came right back down from it. 10 cycles left in this minute. .25 push. Let's do a 24 entry to the short side. We're going to keep this one pretty wide. Target of zeros. Okay, looking good so far. Nice. Going for some continuation. Shit. Good stuff. 85s. This is my spot right here. Let's see. It just barely touched it. So that was actually really, really nice. Hmm. Okay, so we didn't go under 85. Did a little retest there. Now we're long 95s. Got up for another quick $100 or something. 174, 15 minutes into the open. Really don't want to trade anymore. Positive day. It's like my 5th or 6th positive day in a row. But I've had these crazy drawdowns every day. So got up to 05s. Down to 90s. So it looks like this is a failed push from 85s. That's what it looks like so far. Typically third bounce does not hold. Yeah. It's definitely a decent spot to short. I mean, looking back, obviously. Jumping off of 75s. Any divergence here? A little bit. Minute's not closed yet. Divergence on the bars this whole time. Excuse me. I guess this wasn't good divergence, but this is okay. Hmm. Let's see, what did it get up to? 85s? 89s. Okay. I'm gonna get a short entry in here. Hold it under 85s. Going for 50s. Okay, it's a free trade now. I don't mind getting out of it. Even though stop should have been at over 75. Yeah. Yeah, that was way too early. 285 on the day though. Missing entries by worrying about my P&L here. See if it'll brush up to 75 again. Oh, I missed it. Got out at 74 like a silly person. Okay, there's the entry. 5-point stop as always. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna call it for the day. So let's go ahead and review this real quick. So with fees, we're at 197, the high of 285. It's fine. 13 wins, 21 losses. But because the winners were so much bigger, they made up for all the losses, which is great. Biggest loss was 275. Two biggest winners were over 400. That's the way to do it. So let's see here. We'll look at this chart since it shows. So my average hold time is pretty low. 53 seconds. Well, longest trade of 5 minutes today. Goodness. So let's see, first trade I made. First trade was an $80 winner, small winner. I don't like how it doesn't show the, can't see the times. Oh yeah, that's right, it's a range bar, but still I should be able to see, I could see it down there at the bottom. It's just that my, oh there we go, I had to maximize it. So first trade, oh this 85 level, look at it. Came down all the way to 65, 20 points under 85. This is a good divergence play. I've definitely seen that happen where it comes exactly 20 points under 85 and then goes up for 50 plus points. Had a short, small short. The idea here was, yeah, well, I think I was just shorting this high. The entry wasn't that great. Yeah, I would have taken just a little bit of heat. 32, entry was 28. Would have taken 4 points of heat before getting paid. Instead, I took a couple more shorts from the bottom. So these were bad trades. Another decent one. And then these are the open, right? So I had some way back here. Oh, they're not even showing on here because it was micros. Look at that. Wow. Bounce off of 95s. Oh, it's right at 85s again. Is it respecting 85s is the question. Doesn't look like it. All right, so yeah, what we're going to do this time is we're going to log these trades together. So hopefully that works. Hopefully you can see what should be showing you the Trader Grow, the Trader Grow page. Let's see if it's, I'm gonna watch my own stream, see if it's looking good. Let's see if it's, yeah, it looks good. Okay, so let's just log these trades from today. I'm just gonna export them. First, I'm gonna take some of these as screenshots because I want this data to look at later. So I'm gonna do, just gonna copy to clipboard and then I can just paste the images in here. Oh, first I need to upload some trades. So let's get those trades uploaded. Today's the 20th. Downloading the CSV. Okay. Downloads 1220 CSV. Okay. All right. So we got the day uploaded. Doesn't have the net though, unfortunately. So that needs to be added for sure. Oh, even the gross is off. Interesting. That is strange. Why would the gross be off? Wow, I'll have to review this. Okay, let's paste in the image here. A little slow on the upload. I'm gonna do another upload showing the, look at that, it's coming off of 65. Okay, just taking another screenshot with fills showing. Don't mind me. Okay, so this one has the little triangles in it. Need to make a zoom tool for this. Okay, let me get the 1 minute chart real quick. Oh, it looks terrible. Just wait until you see it. Question is, why does it say 308 and Tradevate says 300? 34 trades, while this is only reading 33. Ooh, interesting. So Tradevate is reading 34 trades? And that's probably why. So the first trade is, where's the first trade? I'm just going to compare these trades real quick. 730, yeah. Well, that's not good that there's a trade missing. It is pretty close though, so I'm also going to take, I think I'm just going to take a screenshot of the trades that I did. So I can extend the, trying to get this silly thing to show correctly. Okay, so just going to take a screenshot, I guess. Copy that, pop it in here. 1125, blah, blah, blah. Just taking more screenshots. $11.41. Okay. All right, so we can review all these trades, I guess, but yeah, now I'm just like, what the hell? They're not even working right. So some information I want to know right away is the points, difference in points. So that's a column I'm gonna add. That'd be really nice. See if my big winners are even in here. That'd be the other thing, right, is to see the biggest winners and losers. What I'll do is I'll share the day. And now when I share the day, should be, yeah, should be able to see a little bit more about it. Cool. Yeah, the image viewer needs some work. You can't really go between images, but otherwise it's working. You can click into the trades, which is nice. Don't have any notes on the day yet. So average winning time was less than 30 seconds. I definitely hold my losers longer, give them so much more room. It's nice though. I had a majority of losing trades and still has had a positive day just because I had good winning trades. Definitely want to see more metrics in terms of all of my trades P&L rather than just my account P&L like this. So I shared the day. Let's write a little note about the day. Um, so yeah, woke up feeling refreshed, felt good about trading, lost a few hundred an hour before equities opened due to trying to trade um, housing starts and building permits. Price seemed unaffected, so I got a bit chopped with noise. Had solid, I wouldn't say trades, I would say had solid risk management per trade as winning trades were twice the size of losing trades. What else? Hmm, let the count P&L go under 600 negative, which, I mean, that's pretty cray. Yeah. Um, oh, that's the one thing I didn't do. I didn't add a screenshot of the whole performance center. Oh my gosh. Okay. I let the account P&L go 600 negative, which is a pretty big drawdown. I did give myself the one more trade rule and managed to pull it out. Yeah, I was down that deep, and then I was like, okay, this will be the last trade, and I ended up getting all the way to zero on it. Look at the difference between that chart and the chart that shows for us here. It's funny. Oh, I guess you guys can only see the one chart. Anyway, uh, look at this chart right here. That's a nice pretty chart. And then the chart here just looks kind of bad. I think most of these were good risk reward, so maybe a couple. Excuse me. Oh man, my stomach hurts. Oh, why is my stomach hurting? Okay, well that's it. I think it's past my trading time. Kind of just want to leave it as is. Wow. I got to show you this price action. Hold on. Look at that. The bounce off 65s. Over 100 points already. So this idea of the 85s being respected, and if they're not respected, to look for divergence. There's really no divergence here. So this is just like exactly, exactly 20 points lower. Interesting. Seems like I've seen this pattern before. Wow, that would have been an amazing trade. Let's see. That was a short. My last trade was a short. This was 75s to 95s to 75s, 75s to 15s, 15s to 90s, 90s to 90s. Beautiful. Okay, well that's it for today. When we get the trades down to a certain number, I'll start reviewing each trade in more detail. So that's the goal. Man, I'm so sorry for yawning. Okay, guys, tomorrow we'll trade some more. So I think that's 2 green days, right? So we're doing pretty good.